All right, we're here today in San Francisco, and Lance is gonna ollie his first 4 stair. He's done 3, and he's just explained to me this is no bigger.
No, that's not exactly what I said.
All right, tell me what you said.
It doesn't look a lot bigger.
No, it doesn't. It's not, and it's literally 1 more step.
And I haven't tried it yet, so usually what happens is I try it, and then I'm like, oh no, this is huge. Yeah.
Well, I purposely picked this one because I feel like the ground is good and I feel like it's easier. I feel like this is even easier than the 3 stair you ollied just because the ground is better and there's some actual run up.
Okay, that makes me feel good.
Yeah. Okay, now you got to remember, you got to stay over your board. You can't, like, oftentimes when you're skating stairs, you go back like you're gonna kick out. You have to stay with your knees bent over the board. Over it. So do an ollie like that. Let's see what you got. Good, you got it. Let's do this. One thing I always recommend is look at where you're going and pick a spot of where to go. Cause like right there, there's a hole in the cement and you're gonna die if you go right there. So you may as well just pick, like I got that bird poop right there. That's where I'm going.
I'm going right to the left of the bird poop.
Okay, you ready? Okay. Okay, you got
Probably
this.
just gonna kick out on this one.
Okay, just please don't kick out and then hit your board.
Okay.
Double laser heel.
It's definitely big.
It's definitely bigger.
More commitment.
A little more commitment, just a little bit.
It's just going to be all about commitment, huh?
Yeah, it's all about commitment. Once you commit though, I feel like you're going to get it easy. You ready? You got this. What? Take it down, boss. You getting more comfortable?
Yeah.
Great. Let's do it, because we probably got 3 more tries, maybe 1.
Okay.
You ready? That looks really good, Lance.
Wish I had a little more time to set up.
Yeah, I know. You got it. Full commit, right here. Go fast and commit. Go fast, commit. Go fast, commit. It's your worst nightmare.
2 of my worst nightmares.
Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch you.
Okay, you ready?
Do a perfect one.
Okay. That was it.
It's funny because I don't know what I'm scared of exactly, but for some reason it feels safer to kick away.
Well, yeah, it's safer to kick away, I guess. Here's the trick, is like, like if you were gonna jump off a cliff into water, you could go, I'm gonna get eaten by a shark, I'm gonna hit the bottom, I'm gonna get jagged rocks. If you do that, you're never gonna do it. Think of how you are going to do it, not how you're not going to do it.
So I'm just gonna ollie off, my board's gonna stay right under me, stomp it.
And then you're gonna land and roll away. Yeah. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I think you got this. Right after this family. All right. Now you're just not committing. You're like fully on the board. Everything looks perfect. Right at the last second, you're kicking out. That was so it.
Man, that was it. I was on the board, but
You got it. Don't even think about it. Just go. Don't try and figure out what happened. Oh! Ho, ho! You got it. You did it.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey guys, so the second Lance landed his Ollie down the 4-stair. The cop came and kicked us out, so we pieced out of there. Now we're at Fort Miley, the next spot. But anyways, I just wanted to say, very well done. You took that Ollie down like a champion. It's the biggest set of stairs you've ever Ollied.
Yeah. And again, at the end, I felt really good. I thought I could have done it twice, but the cop came.
So Ollieing downstairs is covered in Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 4, the basics of skate parks. And then other than that, there are 5 volumes in total that cover a ton of tricks. So definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It is available on iBook and at brailleskateboarding.com. So check it out, you won't be disappointed. Please click that subscribe button, click that like button, and leave a comment below. Down there, for Lance.